Hey Max Impactors, today I'm going to show you how to do an outdoor fire pit. Okay, here's our first step. So these kits usually come with a metal ring and then the stone. And the first step is just to pick where you want it. Now this is where we used to have kind of a store-bought stand-up one, and we are now putting one with stone in. And the first step here is to put the ring here in the center and then take one row of the stone and put it all the way around the outside. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out about 6 inches and I'm going to cut in with a shovel around the outside. Now that I have that all cut in, I'm going to take this ring out and then remove all the blocks to the outside of the ring. And we'll come back to these later. Next, we're going to take some of this grass and get the grass off in little sheets. And the reason why I want that is because when we come back here at the end, we're going to use this grass to fill in some of the gaps. Next step in the process is we're going to dig down about 6 inches. We're done digging our 6-inch hole here. Now I'm going to use the post hole and I'm going to dig a hole straight down, a post hole straight down the center, and we're going to fill it up with some 3/4 of an inch river jack, and that's so that we can get better drainage on this. Next step is to fill this hole that I made. This hole is 2 foot deep with a 3/4 inch river jack. And that took about exactly one of these bags. Alright, it's time to put down our sub base. We're going to spread this out. Gonna rake it out a little bit, and as we get it in here, I have a level to make sure it's level. We're gonna tamp this down in layers so we'll get a little better effect with the tamping, a little solider base. Now that we got our fill in, we put the ring back in the center, and then I'm going to set the first block here in place, hit it with the rubber hammer, then you want to check it, make sure it's level, end to end and side to side. Okay, I have my second block in, and you want to make sure that you put it in the middle and that these are level side to side. We had a little delay in our project. It started to rain as I did the first ring, but now I'm back, and here is the adhesive that I'm going to use. This adhesive is made for fire pits, so it's actually fire resistant. Okay, first off, we don't need this ring here anymore, so I'm going to just move this over to the side. Alright guys, we're just going to clean off these blocks a little, and then I'm just going to add a bead of the adhesive. And as you can see, I'm going right in the center here, and just kind of wiggle it in place. Make sure it's locked in. Now I'm just going to continue all the way around to finish this row, and then continue until the finish. We finished the stone ring, and I replaced the steel ring in here around the center. It's a little dirty there. And when I was doing this, when I do the levels here of the stone, I like to take the ring when I'm done each level and set it in there, make sure it's the correct distance. Now the only thing we have left, we only have 3 more things to do. First thing is, we're going to go down in here. We're going to throw our 3/4 inch river jack in and try to get that to the bottom of this ring to protect the stone. Now we're going to take some of the topsoil that we took out. We're just going to line it around the outside. And to finish this up, We're going to take some of the grass that we took out from the beginning of the project. I'm just going to step that into place. And then this fire pit is done. My outdoor fire pit is now done. I'm going to leave some information in the description on how you can get your own fire pit kit. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and like the video and share it with your friends. Alright guys, well thanks for watching our video, and we'll see you in the next one.